going to show you how to put in a sneeze guard that could possibly save your life. This sneeze guard fits in any vehicle, SUV, car, sedan, limo, or party bus. So it's really simple to put on. We're just going to take this, take the sheet, and with the sheet you want to roll it down because you don't want to pull it too hard and it starts to bend too much. So we're just going to take it,
Flip and show.
and what I'm doing is I'm just working it down left and right. Real simple, real easy, not hard to do. There it is. Smooth, no problems. Boom. Switch it over to the other side. Same thing. We're going left to right. So you pull this down. Really easy, real simple, real smooth. Doesn't take long. Just flip it over. And as I'm taking this off, you can see you have a perfectly brand new shield. Okay, to install it, it's very easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to hop in. You guys come a little closer so you can see how easy this is. So I'm just going to basically take one hand and I'm going to start to thread the strap into the first hole. Really easy, really simple. First hole. I automatically take it and slip it into the second hole. Okay? And when I put it into the second hole, it's going to be really easy here. Just pull it through. Now, I'm going to take it and I'm just going to slide it. When I slide it, you take it, hold it up. It has a connecting piece in the front that you just snap together. Really easy, really simple. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to get that first one in. And it's going to go through. It pulls through. And it's going to just adjust. Really simple. Pulls down. It locks it into place. I'll take the second one and do the exact same thing with the second one. So the second strap, same thing. I pull it through. It comes around. You can loop it over when you come around. You do the exact same thing here. You take the shield guard. And when you take the shield guard and come around so they can really see how easy this is. Really, really easy. So you're gonna take the shield guard, it comes around and it tightens up, and then you go through your second hole here, and once you put it in the second hole, you can tighten it up as much as you need. Bam, it's already in there. Now you can take this, what I do for my vehicle, I take it and I thread it back the back way. And when I threaten it down on the back way, I'm able to tighten it all the way back up.
Don't make the video too long.
And that's it. Real simple, real easy. There you go.